Show you how to make chicken shawarma. So let's start. Here I have two medium-sized potatoes which I have cut into batons and then I'll fry it. I have half a kg of chicken, boneless. Then I have julienne of cucumber and beetroot soaked in vinegar. Half a cup of mayonnaise. 1 teaspoon each of ginger garlic paste. Then I have salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, pita breads, and then I have 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. So let's start. First, we'll marinate our chicken with ginger garlic paste, salt, and black pepper and vinegar. The vinegar will help to tenderize our chicken. Mix it. Now we'll marinate our chicken for at least 2 to 3 hours. After 2 to 3 hours, as you can see, our chicken is almost done. It is perfectly marinated. Now I'll fry it. I'll fry my chicken. Here I'm using an electric fryer, but you can use kadai or wok. Our chicken is done. As you can see, I'll transfer it on a plate. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up. Do subscribe. I'll cut my chicken into small pieces. Here even you can shred the chicken too, but then it is too time consuming. So this is the easy way to do it. I'll prepare the sauce. In the mayonnaise, I'll add garlic paste, mix it properly, and the sauce is ready. Our mayo garlic sauce is ready, as you can see. Now I'll roast my pita bread for a minute or two. And it is done. I'll assemble our shawarma. On the pita bread, I'll apply mayo garlic sauce. Then over it I'll place cucumber and beetroot which are soaked in vinegar. Over it I'll place our fries. I've just fried the batons in the oil. That's it. Over it I'll place our fried chicken. Now I'll drizzle some olive oil over it. Then I'll add some mayo garlic sauce over it. And finally I'll wrap it like this. And your shawarma is done, ready to serve. Chicken shawarma is ready, as you can see. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up. Do comment and share. If you recreate any of my recipes, don't